Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Electronics Technology. YouTube channel, topic of defense, technology, news is EURENCO. And MESKO launch new assembly line for 155mm modular charges in Poland. Combat-proven Crab 155mm self-propelled howitzer, manufactured by Polish defense industry. EURENCO and MESKO, part of the PGZ group, have announced the launch of production at a new assembly line for 155mm bi-modular charge system, BMCS charges in Pionki, Poland. The line reached operational readiness on the 25th of July 2025, following a certification process that confirmed compliance with required quality standards. The agreement between EURENCO and MESKO, signed in 2024, enabled the installation of the local assembly line with an annual capacity of up to 100,000 BMCS units. EURENCO supplies the technology and modular charge kits from France, while MESKO provides local assembly using its own 155mm artillery propellants for Poland's sovereign requirements. The project is part of Poland's autonomy strategy and strengthens the country's ability to independently supply its armed forces with critical ammunition. It also consolidates EURENCO's role as a key partner in European resilience and security in the energetic materials sector. The new capacity is of fundamental importance for the planned construction of 3 155mm artillery ammunition factories in Poland, announced by the Polish Armaments Group in July. The acquisition of these capabilities by MESKO marks a significant step in developing large-caliber ammunition production within the country. Thierry François, CEO of EURENCO, said, "With our partner MESKO, EURENCO is working to rapidly turn an ambition into reality, providing Poland with a sovereign and high-performance industrial capacity for the production of 155mm modular charges. This new line enables us to respond swiftly to strong demand, strengthen the resilience of European production, and take a decisive step towards Poland's strategic autonomy. It proves that industrial cooperation and national sovereignty can go side by side to build a stronger European defense against today's and tomorrow's challenges." Renata Gruszinska, chairman of the board of MESKO SA, said, "Thanks to establishment of the strategic cooperation with EURENCO, the national program of building of independent production of large-caliber artillery ammunition in Poland enters a new era. We continuously develop our capabilities in the area of 155mm ammunition production for the Polish armed forces, with the aim of strengthening Poland's position with the international security and defense system." Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.